Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. In previous video, we already discussed about the how to find out the trigonometric functions for 60 degree. So today we are going to discuss about the how to find out the trigonometric functions for 30 degree. Just we have to rotate the triangle. This angle B is 60 degree, angle D is 90 degree, and we have to find out the angle A. We know the all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So if we find out the value of angle A, it will become 30 degree. So angle A is 30 degree. So now if we say angle A is 30 degree, for this triangle opposite side is BD, adjacent is AD, and AB is hypotenuse. So from the triangle ABD, we have to find out the trigonometric functions. So sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is A by 2 and hypotenuse is A. So it will become sine 30 degree is equal to half. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is root 3A by 2 and hypotenuse is A. So cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is A by 2, adjacent side is root 3A by 2. So it is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So cot 30 degree is reciprocal of tan 30, that is it will become root 3. Sec 30 degree is reciprocal of cos 30 degree, that is 2 by root 3. And cosec 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of sine 30 degree, that is the 2. So from this triangle we already found the trigonometric function for 30 degree.